Zoko cha kemesi amangana magia samangana ntechisemi asiri tukulia raboroki wa MIA mona 14 ni gobekero chugutwa aseskuri ryo bonde ya Kisii National Polytechnic wono wabako nyara maigeri make asinga kichinke ejenko bwatikana no murobulyo bere ko gosirwa nensemeria jo botariko se tourism fund oboneke ngakiabo no kunyara korwa maroke rigoro yamangana rengeto botalin kolenga no muwaziri oteneta mangana tourism igase county ya Kisii oyokera nabo igaso mujiga boli tukulia ronigate abuna enenchire mu yokurwa maigoro gochia saboroki wa MIA mona 14 eri banyare kurwa obokorri bwabo bunenchire mu yoko nyargo kine birengo byo gusangirye bango ane mono imeje county ya Kisii omurikito Mirdedi Mumanyi igagoto igorra amayege sero litukeliga lyejuma asenchira yobokirano
Selitkolia lero aboroki wa MIA mona 14 nigo babekirwa chigutwa seskuru yobobundi ya Kisii Polytechnic maiga yoko nyora amaigelio AMO nekiombe ya tourism fund geko watarane county ya Kisii amona boncholia imeyo moche obosongo na boigo Migori.
And we were overseeing the graduation of staff and workers in the tourism industry who have trained here for 1 week, and this has been an event organized by Tourism Fund and also in partnership with Kisii County and the partners of the business community in Kisii and Migori. This is a program which we started and it is all over the country. This is the 7th venue or county we are doing. We've done in Mombasa, Nairobi, Nakuru, we were there last week, Eldoret, Turkana, and also Lamu.
Nanyana bonigo ekiombe ya tourism fund giatebire buna nigo kete okoboko serikali ya Kenya kwanza buna enchera yoko abantu obumanyi bulia bali ansensemo yobutali nabo igokoba ebisero birabakonye gusuka mutwe.
That we in Tourism Fund is propagating and promoting the agenda of Kenya Kwanza government of bottom up. Specifically, the training we've been offering here is to promote those who are in the tourism industry, but they do not have basic training. That is to give them a training, a recognized training. That is why we've partnered with Kisii National Polytechnic.
Waziri o Trade Industry, Tourism and Marketing ase county ya Kisii Cyrus Nyabicha nigo ate babuna serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo yabekire ensemo department yobutali intetenenere buna enchera yoko alibaga balibonsi babwate amaganyo goswa ase sector you.
No, as Kisii County we developed a department entirely working on tourism. So indeed we have reined up all activities, matters tourism, matters hospitality. So Kisii County is a county watch in the hospitality industry.
Sensemo ya bali babekirwa chigutwa nigo basaba ekiombe kyo kya tourism fund kwene kyabuna amaegelia yo ngwena nware asekera engaki asekera county elyo kwene kyabuna abananchi ngwe aligani bale nabo igogokonya gokinya obutali sense ya Kenya.
As we are saying, this is a skill or is a way that we are asking the trust fund, that is the tourism fund, the revolving fund, the team that is involved and the board of tourism in this country to ensure that this program rolls out in different councils throughout the year in, year out, so that different people from different parts of the country can be able to get involved and be able to upscale their knowledge. As we receive tourists from different parts of the country, both internal and external, we can be able to enlarge our country and ensure that our people are well prepared to help our team and ensure that our tourism is working well throughout our areas.
Ngolipotalia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, ele taliane Mildred